We've seen only 7 teams. How many does this tournament have? 8. Where is team number 8? They haven't played yet. So we need to talk about them, folks. Yes, we do. The team from Kolkata, otherwise I will lose my job in this very segment. It is going to be tomorrow, Kolkata against Mumbai from Abu Dhabi. And of course, Asha, you don't have to put that mask on now. You can do it tomorrow morning when you go to the ground. Oh, you're saying you're not going to be part of this?
What happened when Kieron Pollard, people said he's talking too much, he's getting very angry, he came out to bat with that. So I just thought this is Kolkata, so Joy. Nah. I'm looking forward
it's
to
a good
Kolkata.
message to send out there. Wear a mask when you go out, yeah. But it is true. We've had to wait till today to watch Rajasthan. We're going to have to wait till tomorrow to watch Kolkata play for the first time. Having watched this, I mean, seeing all the other teams go out there, what would they have made of all this so far? And how would that change, if anything, in their heads, their approach? Joy.
Look, I don't think it will change their approach at all. They had the option. I think they was in a situation where they specially requested that, they could allow their players to finish their quarantine. So they'll just be glad that, unlike Josh Butler, they're in a situation where all 4 of their first choice international players are available. That means Morgan, Cummings, Russell, Narayan, and that gives them a hell of a punch. So they've got a solid punch out there. They've got, all the weapons in their armory are available to play with, and that's important for them. Also, yes, it wouldn't hurt that they've had a look at that pitch in Abu Dhabi and they have a sense of, what it's looking like and what it can play. The rest of the team has been there for quite a while, and I'm excited because it's Brendan McCullum's first game as coach of KKR, and he's seen a lot in KKR. He's seen championships, he's seen 9-game losing streaks. So it'll be wonderful to see Brendan at the helm of all this.
Yes, and coming off being a winner in the CPL as well, Brendan McCullum. So he'll be pleased with that title also coming as coach. But before we have a look at the 11s, a quick word on the opposition, Harsha. I know we are all very neutral here, but you're allowed to put on a Mumbai cap.
No. I mean, when Joy was talking, some of you would have noticed in the little window that I was looking there, not because I wasn't listening to what Joy was saying. Because MS Dhoni in his post-match press conference said, I haven't batted for a long time, 14-day quarantine doesn't help, that's why I'm batting down the order. He says, I haven't batted for a long time, 14-day quarantine doesn't help. Now let's come to MI. Let's come to MI KKR. MI has been a fantastic top 5, brilliant top 6. I mean, Hardik and Krunal have to be part of that top 6. But you look at that KKR top 6 and say, is there a 6 in this tournament? Because if Sunil Narine fires at the top, and what I like about Sunil Narine as an opener, they'll sort him out at some point. Here, they'll bowl bouncers into his body, they'll do all that, yes. But Sunil Narine will never give you 3 of 13 balls. If he's out for 3, it'll be 3 or 4 balls. Not using up time, then if they get off to a start, suddenly they can tell Nitish Rana, just hang on for a while, because it's going to be Morgan, Karthik, and 3 are in form. Then it is like a dessert platter which you don't know which one to pick. So KKR are going to be really good. They're bowling, and my fear for them is Pat Cummins is going to bat 7, 8, whatever. But there's a lot of pressure on Pat Cummins. Aside from being the best, he's still a young man who's come out of injury. He doesn't know when the next injury is going to come. He's got money that he didn't dream he would make for a life. So he's going to. Outside of him, Kuldeep Yadav has to bowl well because there's a lot of inexperience. Because of that under-19 win, there's been a lot of legend that's grown in Kamlesh Nagarkoti. A lot of legend has grown. But listen, these are young kids who played under-19 World Cup and have played very little since. Nagarkoti has not played since 12. How do you know what to expect from him? So there's going to be a lot of pressure on the KKR bowling unless Kuldeep bowls. I'm assuming Sunil Narine will bowl decently well. If Kuldeep bowls well, then they've got 12 overs of good bowling. Then the others can slip in, a Prasidh Krishna and a Shivam Mavi or a Kamlesh Nagarkoti or some Chakravarti, they can slip in. But they need Kuldeep Yadav, Sunil Narine, and these main bowlers to bowl well.
I think Dinesh Karthik is aware of his conundrum with the quicker bowlers. He's admitted today in the pre-match press conference that he's got some great variety, but in terms of actually choosing who comes and plays in that first 11, it's going to be a headache for him. A good headache, of course, Joy.
Yeah, good headache, but I completely concur with Harsha. Everything is going to depend on how, and I'm not even completely sure of, Pat Cummins is a great international bowler. It's a very different thing bowling in dead pitches. Remember, Pat does really well when there's something in the pitch for him. Either it's Australian conditions or English conditions. These are not ideal conditions for an out-and-out tear-away fast bowler. So look, it's and there's a huge price tag, so it's not going to be easy for him. It's definitely not going to be easy. If they start getting whacked around, that's the thing. And you're absolutely right, Harsha. Kuldeep is the key to all this. Kuldeep last year was missing in action for KKR, and it cost them dearly, because what happens is Sunil Narine will always give you a certain standard. Sunil Narine is almost, as a bowler, I mean, he may not be the bowler he was in 2012 after 2014 when the action changed a bit, but he's still a sensational bowler, and he gives you within 90% of that each and every time. So the other guys will have to sort of provide that consistency, provide that spark. I don't see any problem with the batting. I would love to see Russell bowl 2 to 3 overs, because that may take a little pressure off the young fast bowlers.
Yeah, that's going to be a question
with the other team. Yeah, something like that with the other team as well. I think if Hardik Pandya is not bowling, lineup is looking a little slim, because Hardik and Krunal, between them, I think they are for Hardik Krunal between them are 8 overs. Assuming that Bumrah had a bad game, he'll come storming back. Bumrah, Bolt, and Pattinson. That's 12 overs there. But if Hardik doesn't bowl, and if they don't trust Pollard on these pitches, compared to the West Indies, landing in the turf and having a drink and having a chat with Gautam on the beach and then reaching the batsman, if that is not the case, then if Pollard's not going to bowl, 5 bowlers. And I think that's why it's very important that Hardik is deemed fit enough to come in and bowl a few overs. And I mean, that once it gets off to a good start, that's a crazy batting lineup too.
But interesting, just to finish up on that point, I remember, Harsha, seeing a tweet of yours when Pollard was bowling and bowling well in the Caribbean. Yes, it's the conditions, but it's also the mindset about wanting to bowl. Pollard wanted to bowl, Russell wanted to bowl but couldn't. And one of the reasons he said, when I interviewed him on one particular day, he said, I can only bowl when I'm ready to bowl, and I suspect there's going to be lots of bowling for me when I go overseas. And obviously he was referring to this tournament.
No, with the inexperienced bowling, Russell has to bowl. Russell has to bowl. 6, I'm counting 4 from Narine and 2 to 3 from Russell. If Russell is going to give you 3 and Rana, or 2 or 3, and Rana is going to give you 1 or 2, then you're taking overs. All good teams take the field with 23-24 overs. When Hardik Pandya is bowling well, Mumbai Indians take the field with 23-24 overs. If Russell is bowling an over or 2, KKR enter the tournament with enter the game with 24 overs. So Russell has to bowl, Hardik has to bowl, and I mean I won't be surprised 10, 11, 12 if they sneak 2 overs from Pollard and if Hardik is struggling.
Yes, so many talking points. It's going to be a marquee fixture, and I wouldn't quite get into the head-to-head right now because that leans in Mumbai's favour. I don't think either team will want to think about that because it's a new year, new conditions, new part of the world they're playing in.